Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be designing 2:1 multiplexer. We'll be considering a 4-bit input bus, for which you need to specify input like this in this format: input 320 A0 A1, and mux as an select input. Okay, so we'll specify by a different input name using input keyboard again, because these inputs are 4-bit input, A0 and A1, and I need my select line to be of 1 bit, so I'll specify an input keyword again, and yeah, so it will be 1 bit. So if my inputs are of 4 bit, the output will be also of 4 bit itself, so I'll specify using the output keyword 320y. So what it does is that when we specify input 320A0, it in E1, it will create inputs in the form of A03, A02, A01, A00. Similarly, output will be of type Y3, Y2, Y1 and Y0. It will be a 4-bit bus. Also in the schematic, all the 4 bits will not be seen, only it will be shown as a bus of 4-bit A0 and A1. So we proceed with our design of 2:1 multiplexer. So we'll use the assign operator for continuous assignment. Assign is now equal to, when my select line is high, I will give input A1. If select line is not high, output is A0. So using this statement, we design a 2:1 multiplexer. Let's check the code syntax now. Okay, so we check the syntax, and luckily we don't have any errors because we followed every steps correctly. No errors, no warnings, and no info. Now we proceed with viewing the RTL schematic. Double click on this and the RTL schematic will be shown. Okay, this is the RTL schematic of 2:1 multiplexer. It has, as shown here, there is A0 with 4-bit bus, A1 4-bit bus, and output is also a 4-bit bus. It decides the input based on the select line S. We can also double click on this to view the details. So this is inside also, it is using multiplexer only because the RTL schematic uses a multiplexer by default. Okay, because and we cannot expand it more further because this is the ready-made available tool in this Xilinx IC, and therefore this mux is directly used. This A0 is passed to the data 0, which is again 4-bit, and similarly E1 is passed to data 1 4-bit. S is passed to the select line, and output is result 3,320, and our result is passed to Y, which is again 4-bit output. In this, we have used the conditional operator of question mark here that chooses based on the first expression between second and third expression. The first expression is called condition, and if the condition is 1, this is my first expression, and if my condition is 1, it will assign output A1. If my condition is 0, it will assign output A0. This itself is a multiplexer equation, and it will output synthesize a multiplexer if you are doing the RTL schematic. So yeah, that's it for this video, and let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section.